Hello everyone, welcome to iFix Electronics. In today's video, we have a Samsung S20 FE that is not charging, and when we connect the cable, we can see it's showing communication but not drawing any amps. So we're going to open and check what is the issue, and we're going to fix it. In these phones, also some similar A51 and A71, the FPC connector goes bad most commonly. Let's unscrew the bottom part first because the charging port is located there. Connect cable and check by pressing the FPC connector. We don't see much difference. Let's check with another cable. On the top, no. So we are going to take out the sub charging board. If you can see, it's reading. So most probably our FPC connector is broken. You can see that amps are going high. But it's not stable. Remove the fingerprint, disconnect the display cable, antenna cables, and take out the charging board. We can see under the microscope also. Wow, the one side of the connector is broken, other side looks good. So we'll check if the main part, the positive or negative terminal, is only broken. The other pins are good. So we're going to fix the same connector. If the connector is completely broken or half of the traces are broken, we replace the FPC connector. Take out the charging board. Also check if there is any dust inside the charging connector. Not much. We're going to clean it also. So this part is broken. We're going to solder it. Not only this area, we have to solder the 4 sides, the 2 side left, 2 side rights. That is very common in this FPC connector. It breaks. While soldering, you have to be very careful that you don't put too much solder. And also, you're going to solder some pins from the broken side. After soldering, we're going to clean the FPC with alcohol and cloth. Put the charging board inside the housing, connect all the cables, and test one more time. If you can see, it's taking perfect amps, and we have the charging logo. Battery shows 0%. Our repairing is done. We're going to pack it back and give it to the customer. In our store, we fix cell phones, laptops, MacBooks, televisions, all the music systems. If we have any kind of job that needs to be done, we can contact us. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Have a blessed day.